Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how to enable this large icons on your iPhone. This feature is available for those who have iOS 18 running on their phone. So if you haven't updated already, you can do it in the settings. All you need to do is just go to settings, in here go to general and go to software update. Here, make sure your phone is updated to latest iOS generation, that is iOS 18 or above. Now, let me show you how to enable large icons. Tap and hold the empty area of your screen to put your phone on jiggle mode and tap edit, and here tap customize. Now you will be able to see this panel at the bottom. Now in here, tap on this toggle that says large. That will instantly change to large icons just like this. Once that happens, the text under the icons will disappear, and here you can change the icon to dark or light mode as you prefer. And if you want to revert back to the small icons, you can just tap the toggle small right here. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips.